Hi, this is Shival. This is my new car. It's only mine, and I'll let somebody share it. But it'll be the present. Let's see who can win that car. Because it's hard. We have to spell a biggest word like going to the park. Like not just a word, it's like a sentence, a big sentence. Going to the park with my grandpa and grandma and sister and dad. So that's how it goes. And I want to show you how it goes. Wait 1 second, let me just on it. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's me driving it, and it's a nice one. Now, there's also music in it. Look at the music. So that's the music. And I said, and it's very nice to have this car, but only if you miss, and only if you get it. You gotta be patient, and I only give it to the best students ever. You know them. Okay.